I would love to circle back to a topic that you did briefly mention there, and also slide in a little bit of a saying that our co-founder Christian Lund has, that we understand and appreciate how important business documents are to make business happen, but we hate the manual work associated with those documents. So now a new buzzword and a hype at the moment that a lot of our current customers and also people that we're speaking with are testing out is AI. Um, would you be able to share with us how Templafy fits into that space of enabling knowledge-based workers to see the benefits of using AI and mitigating those risks associated to AI at the same time?
We can provide an AI model that is governed and controlled by yourself, so that it limits the concerns around data leakage and confidential information going out, because you are feeding this model, you are giving it the information that you want for it to be able to correctly give the correct outputs to any sort of prompts and questions that go through. But secondly, if you already have your own AI model, which a lot of our enterprise customers do have, they've created their own AI models, you can connect that to Templafy really seamlessly as well. And because we sit within the workspace, the uptake and distribution of that AI model increases dramatically. Now, in terms of the actual use cases in how you can use Templafy, they're kind of endless. It really depends on the documents that you're creating and what is really consistent for you. So if you're creating proposals and you have to do exec summaries for every proposal that you create, how can AI help you build those proposals out, those executive summaries out? Yes, you'll have to feed it certain information about that prospect or that customer individually, but then we can standardize AI to be like, okay, this is the framework we want you to create our exec summaries in, add these key points, customize, and put that into my document. So that's one use case. If you have to do a lot of vendor supplier forms or RFPs or tenders, you can use AI to answer these questions, especially if you're getting them on a regular basis. You can connect AI to external sources where you might already have this data. So instead of somebody going into this external system or this Excel that has all of the answers in, we can pull those answers for every question that we have. So as a lot of things with AI, it's all about how long is a piece of string? Like, where do you want it to go? What do you want it to do? And we can kind of work with that and help achieve those goals, but in a really manageable way and really digestible way that doesn't scare people off and makes it really easy to adapt to using AI in the workplace. But again, like we say, like we stress a lot, gives companies the control and the governance of how that is implemented, what is being shared, and creating consistency within a framework.